Welcome to English for Beginners, Unit 15. And then this unit we are going to talk about clothes. در unit درباره لباس‌ها بحث خواهد کردیم. You're watching learnenglish.i.a.s. I am Imamali Safari. Let's get started. Let's talk about the clothes. درباره لباس‌ها حرف بزنیم. This is cuff, right? And this is collar, sleeve, Austin, button, Tukma. This is t-shirt. Yesterday I bought a t-shirt for my son. I have a white shirt. The collar and the cuff and the button are yellow. Okay, this is a great one. And this is blouse. And this is suit. And in fact, this is a shirt. This is a uniform. And dress. This is a dress. Skirt. Pants. Pants is an American word, and trouser is a UK word. Jeans. Jacket. This is a jacket. This is a raincoat. Socks. This is shorts, and this is a tie, and this is pajamas with two different spelling. This is pajamas and pajamas. Then this is called zipper. Zipper is a US word, and zip is a UK word. This one is zipper. And this is the pocket. This is pocket shape, and this is called hood. And the whole thing is coat. This is coat. And this is the sweater. Sweater is a US word, and jumper is the UK word. Sweater and jumper. And this is a bra, and this is called panties. Panties is an American word, and knickers are the English word. Panties and knickers or panties. This is a bathrobe or dressing gown. And this is the boxer shorts. This is jockey shorts or pants, right? Jockey shorts is the US, pants are UK. And pantyhose or tights is the tights are the UK. And this one's pantyhose is the US word. And this is called leggings. Okay, leggings. Let's talk about the verbs. So to wear, پوشیدن. To suit someone, خوب به نظر رسیدن یا خوب معلوم شدن. And to fit is برابر, to fit. Okay, to fit. And to put on, it means also پوشیدن. And to take off, it means کشیدن. To do up or to fasten, بسته کردن. To do up or to fasten. To undo or to unfasten, باز کردن. To change or to get changed, لباس تبدیل کردن, right? To change or to get changed. Describing clothes and styles. Now this is a leather, chattel, cotton, woolen, these two words with a different spelling is nahi, right? Pashmi, woolen, pashmi. Polka dot, nokta or spotted in the UK. Nokta, polka dot or spotted. Striped is half striped. And checkered or checked is charkhana, checked. So this is denim. This is plain بمعنى سادة, plain. Silk ريشم, and denim cotton. Okay, denim cotton ينخي. Thank you very much. That was the lesson for today. Wish you all the best. And once again, I'm requesting all of you, whenever you're watching these kind of videos, you have to keep your notebook and pen with yourself, because you have to take lots of notes and write their meaning in front of each word in your notebook when you're commuting from home to work, or wherever you want to go and come. Just repeat these words, because I want you to put these words into your mind and never let them go. Okay, thank you so much. We shall never see you on next video.